and welcome to Traf Talk TV, your weekly news bulletin power-packed with stories and information that better your business.
You'll see our global effort is making strides. And with third quarter projections, we'll
Blah, blah, blah. I just want to check into my hotel.
On page 104,
I hope I get a king-size bed.
I hope I can get a drink.
Get a massage.
Watch a funny movie.
Or go for a swim.
Snacks.
Scented candles.
Zombie movie.
chart.
Don't just hope. Know what you're really booking when you book. AccorHotels.com.
News this week. The Canadian Tourism Commission successfully concluded its B2B meetings and education program in Mumbai, Kolkata and Bengaluru.
Last year, that is 2014, Canada showed a growth of 20%.
CTC has always done a great job putting it on the roadshow.
We really want people to understand that Calgary has a very vibrant Indian community. We have lots of Indian cuisine.
World Travel and Tourism Council says that visa reforms will give 7.5% growth. TravelTag launches a global SIM.
The global SIM, the product that we've launched in our other markets where we are present. It's a SIM card which you can roam anywhere in the world, and it's very easy to top up. We've created a very interactive website and also apps where you can top up on the go. The call charges are extremely low compared to what you would pay to your telecom provider here in India. And it's very easy to use, and the number stays with you for life.
Only one ticket can be booked online between 8 a.m. to noon, says IRCTC. South Africa offers 3-year multiple entry visa to travel agents.
To basically hit to the call to ensure that the BRICS member countries do also find ease of traveling. Whether for business purposes or for leisure. And there is a special dispensation that has been, arranged for business executives, which also include travel executives, that they will be provided with a 3-year multiple entry visa.
Preferred Hotel Group moves from a multi-branded business model to one master brand, Preferred Hotels and Resorts. Taffy plans to revamp its website.
The website also we are trying to revamp and make it more dynamic and interactive, so that we can again give information on what is currently happening in the trade, and also sometimes these when we have these exhibitions and workshops organized by these destination companies or destination governments, we can mention that on the both on the app and the website.
Visit England ceases operations from India. TIE successfully organized its 62nd convention in Bali. We leave you with some glimpses from the TIE convention. With that, it's a wrap on this edition of Traf Talk TV, and do stay connected for more.